Right. Okay, right. So last class what we discussed, okay, how to use the view, sorry, controller, okay, controller. Now this class we'll see. Right, we'll see now, okay. New project. MVC. MT. Click on. Okay. View solution explorer. So observe here controller model view. Now right click on the controller. I'm adding the controller. See. First, always we have to add the controller. From the controller only, we have to request to the, okay, request to the, right, both the model and the, I already gave the permission, Surya, for you. I think you are not recording. So just check it. Okay, right. This is it. Now what we have to do. So last class we are writing our own methods. Public string, can write anything. String my data. Okay. Just I'm writing here. Return. My name is Suresh. Build solution and then debug. So if you want to add employee is the controller name, employee the controller name, then my data is the method. emp my data. I will remember.
Yes, sir.
This is how to use the control.
Control.
Yes. Okay. So you have to understand the process actually. Okay. So first adding the controller, then I'm adding the method. If I want to run this method, compulsory. This is the controller name actually. Employee controller. You can give anything. Okay. Controller name is very, very important, right? So through controller name only you can execute, right? Next. So if I want to write our own methods, okay. So we have to write it. Even sorry, and this is only just to run on the controller. So now I want to use the view. I want to use the view. Okay. View. Then what we have? Then what we have? Just see. Already I have action result method. Very, very important here. I can require the action results method. So here default method is index. You can give them. You can change the method name also. Not a problem. As of now, I use the same method, default method. Okay. Now see. Observe clearly. Right click on the index. Right click on the index. Right click on the index. Okay. Then add view. Add view. Add view. Add view. Okay. Add view. Now see. Index. Don't add the layout master page. Just deselect that and add. And add. Okay. Data and add. Now see. Here I can add on whatever you want. Welcome to, okay, Suresh class. Welcome to Suresh class. Okay. Now see, whatever this, okay, whatever this, I can print on the browser. No, I can print on the browser, right? Now see. Check it here. In the when we create an employee controller on the employee name, okay. So we'll create a folder in the view. When used like this, okay. So right click on this, add view. Automatically, what happens? So one employee, what are the controller name will be, okay. So created as a folder, created as a folder, created as a folder, okay. Right? Created as a folder. Oh, wait a minute. I will put the charge. 1 minute. Okay, right. Now see. So this is the action result method index. Okay, index. Index is under the which controller? Employee control, right? Now observe here. when I am running this method, it is just print just like a string. So on the browser, when you run, okay, when you run this method, okay, it is okay printed just like a HTML, okay, HTML data. Right now, observe here. I am running again. So just I'm not writing anything inside the action results method. Okay, I'm not writing anything inside the action result method. Okay, right now. So this is the normal method I am writing. Now observe build solution debug. What I have to do? Tell me. Yes. How you can run? Slash emp, right? Slash what we have to do? Give here. Yes. Harsha, Jagdish. What we have to give here? Index. Don't confuse which method I want to run. That method I have to give. So welcome to Suresh class. This is a HTML code. HTML code. Observe, check it in the view face source.
Okay.
Observe here. Your face source is okay displayed. Same thing if I try to run, okay. My data. Now go to view page source. See, it's not showing actually. Why? Because sorry. Why? Because it is a okay. It is not a HTML code. Or go for inspect element. Okay. So you don't find the text, right? That is not a HTML code. This is just string data. Don't confuse. Okay. String data. That means for that I did not use a view, right? Correct or not? For that I did not use a view. Okay, right? So remember this. Okay. Remember this. So if I want to run with HTML code, simply I have to write in the okay. I have to write in the view. Okay. Right. So for understanding purpose, if you want to put index inside this, stop execution, stop this, double quote, no, run as again, say I'm running. So compiler easily can understood which method I'm rendering to the view. Okay. Now slash emp.index. Welcome to service. Welcome to service. Understand? Yes. Clear, right? Everyone clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Now, so just I'm okay. Rendering the view to the okay view to the okay. So what we can call it as we are just sending a request, okay, sending a request to the server generate the okay response for us okay, through view. View is a okay UI part. Control is a request handler. Okay. Now, okay, in this program, just what I did only okay, only method I used, but I did not write any code in this. Okay. So that means I did not use any data here. Okay. Now I want to use some data. So then how to, okay, so how to run the data using the view. Now observe here, I'm writing some, the action result method, I'm writing some string data, string str is equal to Suresh, This is my data. Now I want to, okay, I want to call this Suresh on the browser, using view. For that, what we have to observe here. Okay, now I have two things. Okay, I have two things. I have two. 1 minute. Okay. Right? Now see. Now observe here. We can use the view data here. View data view data, give the name, anything. Okay, right? Now for okay, using I can give the name here. I can give the name here. Okay, is equal to str. Okay, now str is calling with view data. So view data is a okay. So just like a what you can call. So variable calling. Okay, for variable calling purpose. Okay, right? So through name I am calling this. Okay, Suresh. Right now see, just when we are using in the okay, when we are using in the okay, when we are using in the view, just use this view data automatically you will get. Okay, for this what you have to use the render syntax here. Okay, so okay, now observe here. I am going to the view now. View, add view, add. Okay. Index.cshtml. Okay, right now I am breaking this because already now I am writing my okay my name okay, my name. So simply okay, at the rate symbol here I have to use at the rate symbol. You can call razor sim. This is the razor syntax. Okay, razor syntax, and we have to give the view data, view data of name, view data of name. Double quotes. View data dot. Okay, right? Now we'll check it. Now we'll check it. Okay. So whether it is executing, whether it is calling that name or not. Run as okay. What is the method name? Index only, right? Now, welcome to Suresh class, and my name is Suresh. So I am passing the data. I am passing the data. Okay, to the server using view data here. Using view data here. Understand? Yes. Everyone understand? So very important point here. Okay. So how to use the control? Understand everyone? Jagdish, Amruta, Anisha, Harshavardhan, Nagaraj, Raju, Santoshi, Vanilla, Surya, Vishala, Jakir. Yes. Anybody has doubt? I'll go to the next topic. Okay, right? Yes. Can I go to the next topic? Yes. Right. Okay. So next, this is the view data. Just one more topic we have, that is okay. View back. View back. View back and view data almost okay. View back and view data almost same. The difference, only the difference is okay. Way of writing. Okay, way of writing. Just like okay, we can call we can declare as view data, and we can call view back also. You can do view data. Too much internet problem. Why I don't. Okay, right. So I'll go for the controller, employee control. I'm writing one more method here. One more method. Okay, now public action result. So next I'm writing here actually my view,
You.
right? So immediately after writing, immediately first for understanding purpose, immediately you can view the my view also. Then easily you can understand. Immediately the my view, right? So this is first actually. Initially we have to write this. So for understanding purpose, okay. So immediately my view and return view. Now here I can write the code. Same data I'm writing. Same data I'm writing. String name is equal to name. Okay. So last time I used the view data. View data. Now I am using the view back. Now I am using the view back. Okay. View data is over. Now I am using the view back. View back. Okay. Now view back. Okay. View back dot. You can give any name actually. You can give any name here. That is a user defined. Okay. User defined name. Okay. So that means user defined property. Okay. Now I want to give the EMP name. EMP name. Okay. View back dot EMP name. EMP name is equal to name. Is equal to name. That means this name represent with this EMP name actually. Okay. EMP name. This is the user defined one. Okay. User defined. Right. So this is also user defined. Okay. So for representing this, this is also user defined. Don't confuse here. It's not a okay. It's not a predefined user defined one. Right. You can give anything here. Okay. Like here, you can give anything. You can give anything. Here also same. So instead of view data, I'm using the view back. The difference you have to understand. Okay. Now, how to call in the index.css system. Okay. Now I'm using the break here. Break. Now I'm one more. My name. My name. So razor syntax at the rate. View back. View back. Now it will not come actually. Right? But because that is not a user defined, that's it's not come. You have to give EMP name. EMP name. Okay, EMP name. That's it. So EMP name, that's it. Okay. Now again I can run. So here which method I have to run? Go to the controller. Here I have to run the my view to get this data. I have to run my data to get this data.
My view.
Okay, right? So I want to run index method, okay, to get this data. Remember, okay. So which method I have, that method I have to. But every method is under the employee controller, right? Every method under the employee controller. Clear, right? Yes. Every method under the employee control. That's a very, very important point. Okay. Now see. Now I'm running this. Employee index. In the place of index, I'm giving my view. Enable exception occurred in the system web build. No source of available. We back us in okay. Index.cs. We back.emp. Index is okay. My Controller, my view. Control C. Exception. Standard stack overflow exception occurred. Make sure you did not have an infinite loop. Infinite, okay, nothing. Then what is that? An unhandled exception type system stack overflow exception occur in the system.web.tll.
అలాగే అయిపోయింది.
Okay, okay. I'm not created a HTML. That's why I have tried. So when is the action method? I have to create my view.cs HTML. Now, build. My same. My name view bag employee. This is my view.css CSS HTML. Okay. Employee controller, my view. Oh, sorry. Return view. Return view. Inside that we can do the build solution. Deeper. Build solution. Deeper. Okay. My name is Suresh. Understand? Okay. So this is another control. See, another control, another method if I use, so I have to create one more view actually. Okay. So that means one more index, cs.index file. Okay. .cs, okay, HTML file, right? Okay. Now see, observe here. So for index method, for every action result, I require a okay cs.html page. This is for the okay index method. Now this is for the my view method. Got my point? Understand, everyone? Yes. Jagdish, Harshavardhan. Understand? Yes. So I think
Yes.
nobody responding. I think everybody understand. I think so. Okay. Right. Next, so I'll show you U bag and U data. U bag and U data both are same. I'll show you. So how the U bag and U data will be same. Okay. How the U bag and U data will be the same. Can now see employee controller. Actually, in the action results index method, okay, I use the view data. For that, I use U bag or U data only. Okay, now. Right. So next, I'll show you that. So in the my view, I have view bag I used. In the view data, I used, okay, in the index, I used, no, I go for the index.css file, CHTML file, okay. Here, instead of calling, okay, view data, just I am putting this into the comment. I think you know HTML comment, right? So now this is in the comment. Now I'm writing my at the rate u back. I'm using the u back instead of u back. Dot net, u back dot net. Okay. We'll try to build this solution. Okay, next run. First, which one I have to run here? Index method I have to run. The index method. In the index method, I give okay view data. So in the view data, I have a name that I am calling with the view back. Okay, now check it out. Okay, see, my name is Suresh. So I declared with the view data, but I called with you, okay? I called with the view back. So it works, okay? So no problem with that, right? That means we can say that U bag and U bag and U data will be same. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now same thing I'll do with the okay. In below view data also. So in the my view here I am writing. I'm trying to write. So if you put this, I'm putting here comment. My so there is a syntax. So data. ENP. I'll try to run this also. Print solution. My second. My name is Suresh Babu. Okay. I declared with view data. I called with view back, and I declared with view back. I called with view data. That means both are same. Both are almost same. But in the real time, people are using okay view back instead of view data. The people are using view back. So why? Because view data looking like a view state. I think already we discussed view state, right? View state in okay ASP.NET, right? View state in ASP.NET, looking like okay. So you might be confused with that, okay? So that's why better to use the view bag instead of view data. That means view bag or view data, both are same. You can use anyone, right? You can use anyone. Clear, right? Okay. Understand? Okay, right. Next we'll go for the model. Okay, next we'll go for the model. Next one is model. Okay, so how to do the model? How to do the model? Okay. So everybody understand the controller?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the view.
Hmm.
Okay, so view control both you understand, right? Okay, now we'll go for the model. How to use the